This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by sliding into chest-deep water and taking a full, controlled breath. Press your hips up so your body floats horizontally. This reduces drag and makes motion efficient. Once set, tilt your chest lightly forward and relax your shoulders so arms can move freely. Keep knees soft, not locked. This lets you drive from the hips. You should feel buoyancy under your ribs. Make small, deliberate movements now. This foundation lets every kick and skull be effective when you begin the treading sequence. You now combine an alternating egg beater with hand sculling to generate continuous lift. Drive each leg in a smooth circular motion. One leg pushes down while the other recovers, so you never lose support. That constant pressure keeps you stable. Meanwhile, scull your hands at hip level with a thumbs-down sweep outward then inward to catch water and add vertical lift. Once done, sync the timing. About 2 leg rotations per hand skull cycle. This steady rhythm conserves energy and gives you a predictable, sustainable float. You finish by stabilizing the pattern and checking common issues. First, adjust tempo, speed your egg beater and sculls slightly if you feel low in the water. Slow down if you're burning out. Make sure your head stays neutral and gaze forward. Controlled exhalation prevents shallow, panicked breaths. If you tilt forward or back, shift hip height subtly until your torso is level. One key troubleshooting tip: if you keep sinking, emphasize wider hand sculls and stronger, faster leg circles until buoyancy returns and you regain confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.